TV, if you see my hair, you should know what type of video this is off real. Yeah. But y'all already know what type of time it is. Happy Valentine's Day to all the lovebirds. To everybody. Yeah. So y'all know today's Wednesday, so I go to community service and I get my hair done at 2:30. And I'm gonna get my eyebrows done. So just like a really teeny tiny maintenance day for real. Nothing insane. Nothing insane for real. So I just want to take y'all along with me. Yeah, let's see. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all what I get. I'm gonna put it right here. So yeah, that's what I'm getting. But yeah, I'm just gonna take y'all with me to get my hair done. So thank y'all for watching. If I don't come back and show y'all my hair, keep subscribing. Good. Okay, so I made it out the house, y'all. I've come to the conclusion I don't have no clothes that I can fit. I have gained too much, not too much weight, but I've gained weight. And I just need to go get some clothes. I think that's my car right here. I need to go get some clothes. So, yeah, literally, I'm about to go get some clothes. And then too, I don't even have nothing like elegant or cute to wear if I was to be taken out on dinner. Ugh, ghetto, right? Ghetto. Oh my God, no hair. Yeah. Yo, so I'm currently at community service. I'm gonna just make this a vlog. I don't even know why I said what I said earlier. I'm gonna make this a mini vlog. So I'm gonna be just sitting here. I be doing a burnt on Wednesdays. So that means I just take whoever comes in. I'm getting my hair done today. So y'all, let me show you something. We just got this hair done today. Like a kilo sand and Whole Foods and got a little shit. Okay, y'all, so I literally just got my eyebrows done. My eyebrows just finna break the fuck out. I got some balloons from Dollar Tree. I did not mean to cut out like that. So now I'm just gonna go home and put these balloons in my room. Like, can you move your basket? Hold on, y'all.
But you know, it is like, especially if you want to introduce them. I want to introduce you to these people. You can't act no way. Why you acting no way? But you know, it is like, especially if you want to introduce them. I want to introduce you to these people. You can't act no way. Why you acting no way? You know,
Never watched that?
That's well. That's been going pretty good for me.
Not niggas playing Boosie in the background. Who broke your?
No. See, let me see your phone.
And that's the wrap. Are you in it?
Hi.
What's up, y'all? So I did get my hair done and I got my eyebrows done. Let's get into it. I'm gonna post some clips of the videos that she took. Shout out to my girl twin. Where have you been? Yeah, because she ate the fuck down per usual. So yeah, y'all, this is probably gonna be the end of the vlog. It was literally just a mini day in my life. Not even a mini day in my life. It was just a mini maintenance. Literally, nothing more, nothing less. Got my hair done, and that's it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I'm trying to give y'all that content. Yeah. But if y'all want to see a little bit more content of me, make sure y'all y'all follow me on my Instagram page, and y'all follow me on TikTok, because that's where I be posting for real. Literally, that's where I be posting. So please follow me up there. All that stuff is linked under my video. Duh. Like, why y'all not fucking with me? But yeah, So, and I did give y'all a sneak peek for what I did to my man in my room just a little bit. Y'all, I'm gonna be so honest, like, this is so new for me to really be doing Valentine's Day, because I have Valentine's Day PTSD. Like, I'm so used to being lonely on this day, or just, you know, making myself feel good. But I got a man that love me. I got a man that just care for me. Like, I'm just so happy, you know? So, I did give y'all a sneak peek today. I'm so happy. That's my bookie. So, yeah. But yeah, y'all, so I'm just trying to make sure some parts. But yeah, so thank y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. Yeah, that's him right there. Oh, he found a part. So yeah, please just fuck with me, okay? Blah, blah, bye. Y'all, look at what my man got me. Look at his wave.